BJ from the 478. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and let's get right on into it. I just got done cleaning this thing up, but I also all morning been on the phone with Forgiato, and I'm changing these wheels up. So they'll get started building them sometime in the middle of next week. I'm going to keep my 3-piece. I want to do a little bit something different for this summer. I'm gonna keep my 3-piece, but the lip is gonna be what they call a step up. So it's gonna be absolutely 1,000. You know, I can't wait. Like I said, these wheels, they did the job. They are, you know, built specifically for this vehicle. I have no issues, no rub, no scrub. They've been on this car for about 4 weeks now, and I probably put 300-400 miles on them, if that. It's not a mark on these wheels, and guess what? They will be up for sale. So all you gotta do is hit me up, shoot me a message. I'll leave you some links. Everybody know how to get in contact with me. But this is what the deal is. All my day ones, anybody that follows me, any of my subscribers, I'm giving you first dibs. So just let you know, and save you thousands. I already got tires. You know how I rock it. When they come off, I'm putting new tires, new sensors, and everything. I'm not breaking these down. So if you know me and you know what I like, my stuff is gonna be pristine. So you're not gonna have any issues with these. They will fit all of your wide body Challengers, wide body Chargers. Now, you know, just a straight up without these fender flares on there, they're not gonna fit. They're not gonna fit on just a regular Charger or a Challenger. You're gonna have to have the wide body because of the way they're built, and it's a -15 on the rear offset, which actually pushes it out over the fender, but it stays under here, and it is a -2 on the front, so it stays under the fender, and you get no rub, no scrub. And see, like I explained in some of my other videos, this vehicle is lowered on H&R Springs. The part numbers are 50888, and it lowers it a 1.7 in the front and a 1.5 in the rear. When I put it in race mode, it will lower the rear end down a little bit once you put it in drive, so it does tuck a little bit better. But she's sexy, I'm telling you, man. I don't mind keeping them. I'm just not gonna give them away now. Keep that in mind. But if you wanna save thousands of dollars, hit me up. Leave me a message, give me some likes, give me some love, people. You know how we do it. You know how this YouTube works. This YouTube works on algorithms. So let's circulate this video. Let me know you need me, and also for you Charger guys or these regular, you know, head up Challengers, I got these other wheels up here. These came off my 19 Charger, and it is a 24 by 8.5 with a 3-inch lip. No, this is a 3.5, I'm sorry. And this is a Finestro, a 2.2. So you can look at my other videos. I'll try to put links into that, where these were actually on my Charger, 2019. And all you have to do, if you want to save thousands, hit me up. Reason being, these are already built for that car. And then you just have to get the back tube built. You can call them and save you a lot of money, save you a lot of time too. You'll be ready for the summer. But yeah, they don't have, you know, this right here is because it's tired, but they don't have a mark on them. They're a little dirty because they just, you know, they had to take the rim off. But they're all there. not a scratch on them either. You can send me a message, you know, I'll give you a total price. But like I said, all my subscribers, they get 10% off anyway, so you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel to get that price, you know what I'm saying? So let me know, we can go from there. But my name is BJ, I'm from the 478. The 478 is in Macon, Georgia. That's my area codes, if anybody just wanted to know, but it's out there. All you have to do is hit me up, give me a message. If you need my phone number, just ask me. Give you one more walk around right quick. Ain't she purty? If you want to be riding tomorrow, all you got to do is hit me up. Bruh, we take cash out. I take cash. You can keep your checks. But let me know, hey, look, my name is BJ, we're from the 478. Like, subscribe, hit that like button, share this video. Leave me a message. You need my phone number? Just ask. I'll give it to you. Thanks.